Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be really interesting. I feel this video is quite trending, that we are going to rate our experience with all the celebrities and the influencers.
Okay guys, I just wanted to come and tell you that as we said that we are going to be rating our celebrities and influencers both in this video. In the intro, we decided that we will split this video in two parts because the video was getting too long. So in this video, we are just going to be talking about the celebrities, and the influencer part of this video will come up super soon, so stay tuned for some tea in that video as well.
Also guys, this video is going to be in a very fun note. We are not being the judgmental.
Yeah, we're not like bashing anyone. And also full credits to that quirky miss.
Yeah.
We saw her video and we were like, we need to do this because we also have had our fair shares of embarrassing moments.
Yeah.
So get ready to have some tea. Let's get started.
The first celebrity which I met was Disha Patni. It was such a fun event. So it was Lavi's event where she had come as a guest. We had a Q&A session with Disha, so like I could personally ask her questions. That was really interactive. I loved that. That event was one of the very good events in my mind, and Disha was very sweet. She had no attitude problems or nothing like that. She was very warm. She was actually very warm. So yeah, I would rate her 10 on 10 for sure.
Okay, so the first celebrity that I would like to talk about is Neha Kakkar. So she was famous, okay, like she was quite famous, and वो मुझे randomly ऐसे ही store पे मिली थी. So it was the beautiful store in Lokhandwala where I saw her. So I was already on the checkout counter and she just entered with one other girl. I guess she was her teammate or something. And मतलब I तो I'm a fan of her. Like even now I'm a fan, and I'm that person जो selfie लिए बिना नहीं निकलेगा. I am that person, I'm telling you. But directly, just as soon as she entered, I just asked, hi Neha, I'm a huge fan, can I get a selfie? And she was so sweet. She literally stopped and she was like, yeah, sure, why not? And we clicked 2 selfies, जिसमें से एक blur हो गई थी, and then second वाली भी, she was very normal.
Aww.
But I would definitely rate this experience 10 on 10. Of course, we didn't have a conversation, but at least I got a picture, and she was shopping. She was just like a normal human being.
So the next celebrity which I met was Mandana Karimi. So I met her for a shoot. I was a makeup artist over there. And she entered only. Now the vibe was not good because whenever you enter, you greet good morning, how are you, or something like that. She did not greet that at all, and I guess she was having a bad day. But yeah, we moved on towards the shoot. I did her makeup. That part went well. I did her makeup. She did not have a lot of problems with that. She had a resting bitch face, but it's okay. After I was done with the makeup, she was expecting me to get her stuff from her bag, to get her makeup clothes out, to fold her clothes and all that. And I was very bold enough to say that I'm sorry, I'm not going to do all those things. I'm a makeup artist. I'll do your makeup, hair, anything related to that, but all your clothes and everything is your personal thing. She did not come with a assistant or a manager, so you have to manage it by yourself. I'm sorry. So she found that offending and all those things. After then, she was wearing a sari. So she was like, oh, I don't know how to wear a sari, or like, but there's a tone, you know, like,
Yeah, you could
please
request.
Yeah.
You could not throw an order.
Exactly. So she was not, she did not ask that, can you please help me with that? She's like, do that. And I did not like the tone, and I just told it on her face. Yeah, I would rate her 2 out of 10.
Okay, so my experience with this celebrity that I'm going to be talking about next was worst. Like, that gave me nightmares, even approaching to any other celebrity. So that is none other than the famous cricketer Kapil Dev. So I and Dinkle were in High Street Phoenix in Lower Parel, exactly opposite Sephora. And there was no one at that place at that point when Kapil Dev and one guy along with him were just walking. Like, no one else, no paparazzi, no bodyguards, no other random people as well. So we were literally 4 people in that area, and to be very honest, I'm not a fan of Kapil Dev. I don't know much about cricket, but my brother was a huge fan of him. So I was like, you know what, let me just take a selfie, and I would like tell him and all of that. And I just straight up approached him that, can I get a selfie? And I will give you a backstory. He was not working. He was not there with any media or anything. He was just chilling and walking and talking. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि I disturbed him in something, you know. And the line that he said is, not even a smile, okay? कि क्या करोगे पिक्चर का, यहीं देख लो ना. This is what he said. Of course, I don't have a picture to prove all of this, but Dinkle was with me, and it was the most rude encounter I've had with any celebrity. He has won the World Cup for India, but I wish he had won some sort of respect of how to talk to fans. Like, even if you are having a bad day, you are not supposed to say to a fan that kya kar loge photo ka, yahi dekh lo.
Yeah, you could say no, I'm not comfortable.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry, not right now. That would have been, I would have respected that. But kya kar loge photo ka, I mean, that's just shitty behavior coming from such an old person. I would rate that experience -10 out of 10. It was so bad, so bad.
So the next celebrity which I have is Flora Sunny. Again, I met her for a photo shoot. I was the makeup artist and the hairstylist. Oh my god, she was the sweetest person I have ever met. I guess हमने सुबह के 8-9 बजे से रात के 8 बजे तक शूट किया था. We did 5 looks with her and she was so sweet. Like, you know, she was taking care. अरे eat something, अरे drink something. The makeup and hair part went very good. No nakhra at all, and she was like very welcoming, very warm. She was telling all her experiences working in the industry and all that. She was giving us a lot of gossips. So yeah, I feel I would rate her 10 on 10.
Okay, so the next celebrity that I have is Kajol. So I won a contest by Olay, and I was invited at the Nykaa store in Phoenix Market City, Kurla. And firstly, she was an hour late, but again, ab wo to theek hi hai. And when she came, she was supposed to click pictures with all of the winners. So there were 10 winners in total, and everyone was standing in a queue, and I was the first one in the queue because, as I said, I'm a cheapo like that. I want a picture. What she did was, she came inside, she clicked a picture with the Olay banner, literally just 2 clicks, and then she was like, okay, where's the hamper? So the hamper, she was supposed to give us hampers, all of the 10 winners. Okay, so the Nykaa team, say one girl came, she gave the hamper to Kajol. She's like, yeah, where's the winner? But this was her tone. So I was the one standing there, and she gave me the hamper. She smiled, she said congratulations, and she clicked a picture. So, and then मैं side में हट गई. उसके बाद her manager came in between, and she told the Nykaa team कि that is it, we have to leave. And I'm like, oh god, like the other 9 girls who were standing behind me were so upset because so many of them had traveled dur se just to meet her and get a picture, and hardly it would have taken like 5 minutes of her time, and she just left the store. The Nykaa representatives were requesting her manager so much because it's about their reputation as well, and she just left. She just went out, and I'm like, oh my god, did I just see that? And to be very honest, I was on the spot because I only got a picture. All the girls were looking at me, but I mean, that was really rude. And that day when I came back home, I saw this video clip of her going viral. She fell in the mall while she was walking. She tripped, and I don't know वो पहले हुआ था कि बाद में, I'm assuming पहले हुआ था. That's the reason she was so pissed. But I mean, yeah, things happen, but then that was your commitment. You should have done that. With me, I didn't have a bad experience, but it was rude. So I would rate her 5 on 10.
So I guess that's it for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye!